Have you ever wondered why we snore? How does it actually happen? And are there any benefits or harms to snoring? Snoring occurs when the flow of air through the mouth and nose is partially obstructed during sleep. This obstruction causes the tissues in the airway to vibrate, resulting in the sound we all know as snoring. But is snoring just a harmless noise, or does it actually have some benefits or harms? Some studies suggest that snoring can be a sign of a more serious underlying health issue, such as sleep apnea, which can have negative effects on overall health. On the other hand, some researchers believe that snoring may actually have some benefits, such as increasing the airflow to the lungs during sleep, which can improve oxygen levels in the blood.